Hi, Nilesh.
Hi, Pradnya. I think, just wanted to catch up with you because we just had this session, masterclass, just a quick summary and, how do you think it went? What do you think? Where do you think people joined for this webinar?
I think so. People around the world joined for this webinar from around the world, from India, from London, from America as well, from Netherlands as well.
From Netherlands as Europe as well. I was surprised.
Yes, and it's nice to see different women from different parts of the world who joined.
Like an actual international sort of event.
And I would like to thank each one of them who joined today again.
Definitely. Because we had around 70 registrations.
Right.
That, around 30 people joined. So like, close to
Oh,
50.
wow.
Which
Wow.
is very good thing. Nowadays,
That's good.
which I see people sign up and almost like 10% people join up. Initially, my thinking was, maybe out of 77 or 10 will join, but actually 30, very good number they joined.
Oh, wow. That's a good number actually. And
It
from
is
all
a really
over the
good
world,
number.
that's a great number.
And they were like active participants as well, no? Maybe, they were typing the answers, what are the questions we were asking, they were in the feedback, which was nice.
Right. So what do you think, what kind of career backgrounds did they come from, or rather?
I felt some of them they based on the comments actually. Some people also wrote me some private comments saying like they are in the career and they are getting career and they want to move on to the maybe find a new jobs.
Right.
Some people I guess they were in the job but they want to go to the next level something career wise.
Right.
There were business women they have entrepreneurs they joined. Some of them, let's say they were housewives, they don't have the clarity, they don't know what's happening and they wanted to attend the workshop just to see what sort of clarity they can get in their life so that they can move on with confidence.
I think what I really liked is that when you ask them to type their questions or feedback in the chat, because of which we could get a lot of clarity as to what background they come from and stuff like that. So that was really good.
I wanted to make it interactive, because nowadays online chat is our best friend. That's where we communicate.
Yes, yes, I know. And I think also, post the session, we've been getting feedback. I've been getting personal feedbacks where people are.
WhatsApp messages.
Yes, WhatsApp messages. People have been responding saying the model that we shared with them today, the transformational model, which has the 7 key stages towards transforming different aspects of life. They really
I felt that as well, because the model was crisp and, because many people think, they're like this, in the transformation, there is different pieces of puzzle. They don't understand which one to choose from, or they spend like a lot of time on something. But now in that model, they know exactly which are the 7 things they have to work on so that they can put together all these pieces. And I think you also mentioned these are the internal and external.
Correct.
The first thing they should look at, which are the other thing they should look at. So I think the model was nice.
True, very true.
Model was nice.
Yeah. So
and
positive feedback on the model.
I'm quite happy about that. Yes, it's a very good feedback. And then one thing I think what we mentioned them to join that international support network, which by the way is free, and many people they are joining. So I feel that is something useful for them.
It is. Yes, I think the international support network group that we have as a part of which program is one thing which all of the women are really liking it, because they now have someone who they can ask, share ideas, thoughts.
Exactly.
Seek for mentorship, small things, right?
Exactly. And they know somebody knowledgeable there along with them. So now they are not alone. They can always, come back and ask the questions.
Yeah,
I guess that sort of thing definitely work.
True.
Right. No, that's it actually. Just, wanted to have a quick catch up to how the
That's
event
good. That's good. I know.
Okay. No worries. So yeah.
It's good that we are having it now after finishing
After the event.
Yeah.
No worries. So yeah, thank you, Pradnya. I'll catch
All right.
up again
Thank
next time
you.
sometime. Okay.
Yeah,
Take care.
take
Bye.
care. Bye.